Hello everyone, my name is Mahesh Lakhwani and for this video I will be your instructor. Today we will be learning about what is science and branches of science, and we will be also learning about natural science and its branches. So be active. Okay, first of all, we will be learning that what is actually science. Okay, science is a Latin word. Okay, what is it? A Latin word. If anybody asks you that what is science, from which word it originates from, you can say Latin. Okay, it's originate from Latin. Okay, then the Latin word of it is scientia. Scientia. Okay, scientia, and scientia means knowledge. Okay, scientia means knowledge. Okay, so science is a Latin word, and Latin word was scientia, and scientia means knowledge. Knowledge is the meaning of scientia. Okay, I hope so that you are clear that what is science. Okay, now we will be learning about what are branches of science actually. Okay, branches branches of science. Okay, our topic will be branches of science. That what are branches of science? The first branches, there are three branches, main branches. First of all is natural science. Okay, first one is natural science. Second one is social science. Okay, other one is formal science. What is it? Formal science. Okay, the first three types of science are, first of all, natural science, number two is social science, and third is formal science. Now, what is actually natural science? In natural science, we discuss about physics, chemistry, and biology. In social science, we study about psychology, we study about mental health, okay, about economy, okay, and the last one, formal science. In formal science, we learn about mathematics, we learn about data science, computer science. These type of studies and these types of uh, concepts are studied in formal science. Okay, now we also have sub branches of science, okay, which will be the branches of natural science, social science, and formal science. Okay, let's start. As I told you that in natural science we discuss about biology, physics, and chemistry. So the branches, there are three branches of natural science. First of all is physics. Okay, second one is chemistry, and the third one is biology. Okay, the first one is physics, second one is chemistry, third one is biology. In social science we also have three branches. Okay, the first branch is psychology, second branch is economial economial science. Okay, and third one branch is political science. Okay, these are three branches of social science, and then the last branch of science is formal science. Okay, first of all is data science. Okay, second one is computer science. And the third one is mathematics. I know that many of you have been discussed that mathematics is a different subject, but it is included in whole science. Okay. Now we will be discussing these branches. First of all is the natural science. Okay. In natural science we discuss about physics, chemistry and biology. First of all is physics. Okay. So you can say that physics uh, comes from a word. Okay, the word means physikos. Physikos, like that. And physikos also means knowledge. Okay, physikos also means knowledge. And physics, you can say it tells interaction and relationship between matter and energy. Okay, wait a minute, you can write this in your paper or someone else, but you can say that it is study of reasoning and principle. I'm also writing here study of reasoning and principle. Okay, what does this mean? That physics comes from a word known as physicos, and it means knowledge, and it is the relationship between and interaction between matter and energy. Okay, uh, and it is the study of reasoning and principle. That in this subject we give reasoning and we tell that why this thing happens and the principle of it. Okay, there are a lot of types of physics which we will not study in this lecture because our main topic is branches of science and learning about it. Okay, now let's come to the second branch, which is chemistry. Okay, chemistry. Okay, chemistry, you can say it is the study of matter. Study of matter. Okay, what does matter means? Matter means something that occupies space and having a mass. Okay, so you can say the chemistry is a study of matter. And what is matter? Matter is that something that occupies space and having a mass. For example, solid, liquid, and gas. Okay, these three states occupy space and they have a mass. Okay, so this was chemistry in journal. Okay, then our next topic is biology. Okay, biology. Wait a minute. Okay, biology is also a Latin word. Sorry, it is a Greek word. Sorry, guys. It is a Greek word. Biology is a Greek word, and the word bio and life. Biology. Okay, here. Sorry. Here, bio means life. Okay, and the word logy means study. Okay, the word logy means study. Okay, means life study. What is life? Okay, you can say that life is a sum up of all the metabolic activities that happen inside a living organism. Now what are metabolic activities? Okay, you can say that metabolic activities is chemical reaction that happen inside a living organism, inside a human, inside an animal. So that is called metabolic activities or metabolism activities. Okay, life here logi also means to explore, to discover. Okay, so I hope so that the main kinds, the most important kinds for your O levels is these. So I hope so that you, okay, you have understand these. Logi means study. Okay, I've written again. Now we will come towards social science. Okay, first of all, social science, you can say in social science we study about mental health and manipulating people. Okay, mental health and manipulating people. For example, those people who choose politics, they always go with social science, because in social science you get to know how to manipulate a person, what is psychology, and what is political science. In psychology you got to know to manipulate, how to manipulate people. Manipulation. Okay, in economic science you study about economy. Okay, and then political science, if you see a politic person, cm, pm, so they always choose political science because it teaches that how to speak. Okay, like a leader, like a political leader. Okay, then we have formal science. In formal science we have three subjects: data science, computer science, and mathematics. Okay, computer science is a subject where you learn about coding, where you learn about programming. And mathematics, everybody know that mathematics, we have also different branches of mathematics like trigonometry, geometry, and algebra. Okay, so these were some of the branches of science, and it continues on. Don't think that this was the end of branches of science, but for your level these branches are enough. Okay, and these are the most mandatory one that comes in a paper, or someone else or somebody asks you, you can tell that these are the branches of science. Okay, thank you for watching this video, and if you have any type of question regarding this lecture, please let me know in the chat box. And be ready for tomorrow, because tomorrow we will be learning about our geography. Okay, we will be learning about the ranges like Karakoram ranges, Himalaya ranges. So be ready. Thank you for watching this video, and make sure to give a like, to give a subscribe, and give a comment.